Alright everybody, good morning to you. I think it's actually afternoon. We haven't gotten much footage today. Been on a bunch of calls. Just had the people come drop off the dishwasher, so I'll show you all that in a minute. But first, check out my salmon. Boom. I got 2 salmon fillets here, cooked in the trusty Instant Pot. Crystal is just lounging around like normal.
I'm not. Robert begged me to come over here from making bricks.
I actually wanted you to try this salmon.
No. I'm not allowed to eat salmon.
Oh, can't eat anything on this diet.
I know. Trust me, I know.
Has your sensitivities improved?
I can't have vinegar either. Yeah.
Alright, first of all, y'all, I'm going to point out my sick new duds. Got my lifting shoes on, my new hoodie, ready to rock and roll. I'm going to try out this new pre-workout. It smells kind of funky, not gonna lie. Doesn't smell like most pre-workouts. Smell this, baby.
Yep, definitely different.
It's a raspberry lemonade flavor.
It's kind of like, at first smells weird and then it smells pretty good.
Yeah, it's got like
After smell.
a pre-smell. It's got like protein in there, which I thought was kind of weird. Like not a lot, but a little bit of protein. Am I leaking everywhere? Yes. I like these stainless steel containers, but they leak. So, they leak a lot. Let's give this a shot.
Just a giant mess.
Not too bad. We'll see if I get energized. It's got 150 milligrams of caffeine. 0 sugar, 0 artificial ingredients. Stop recording now. Woohoo, buddy! About to go train some chest. I love working out. It's like therapy, especially if you go a day or two without working out and you get back in the gym. It's like Christmas morning. The excitement through the roof. Let's kill this workout. Hardcore, babe. Hardcore.
I deserve this.
Yeah? Ready to go?
Huh?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, y'all. Chest workout in the books. Where do we park our van? The big black van. Gonna go home, do some cooking, some meal prepping, and some eating. Let's get ready. Alright, y'all. I am crashing hardcore, so this video might be a little short. Crystal is cooking up a storm. Let's see what we got here. So we have my 75 25 gram beef with cream cheese And then we got some Brussels sprouts cooking up in this beast. Would you open that lid for a second, baby? That's the way I like my Brussels sprouts, y'all. Soaking up all that bacon or ground beef fat. What are you eating, baby?
I am having lettuce leaf with a squeezed lemon slice on it, and then I'm going to put these pumpkin seeds on it and some ground pork. I'm limited on my food options and my seasoning, so this lemon has been like bomb for me.
I like that. Smart.
Very good.
Alright, everybody. This vlog is not super long. We've been kind of playing around with our schedule, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to wake up early and end the day earlier, or wake up later and end the day later. We kind of go back and forth between what's optimal for us. You know, sometimes we're just like killing it late at night, but then that makes it hard to wake up super early in the morning. So we're just trying to figure out a routine, and we've mixed it up a few times. What do you think, baby? What's better for you?
I have no idea.
Yeah, we're kind of like all over the board right now. We've been just kind of staying up late and waking up early, which isn't optimal. But we went to the gym later tonight at 7, I think it was when we went, and it was just super, super crowded, which is one huge benefit to going very, very early because the gym's not crowded. But I re-met the guy that got me into, he didn't get me into it, but he's kind of like one of my mentors when I very first started bodybuilding at the YMCA way back in the day. First gym membership I ever had. He was like this bodybuilder there that knew and kind of taught me some of the techniques. And he's living here and training at that gym now. I didn't realize that because I always go in the morning. So it was super cool to catch up with him. We're going to get some workouts in. I'll have him on the vlogs, I'm sure. But just super cool dude. And that's pretty much that. I think we're going to... We've been kind of working on our schedule and figuring out what's best. Ideally, we're just going to get our own gym here. I'm probably going to start investing in equipment for that next month. We're going to buy a squat rack first. Obviously, we're going to buy mats first and then like siding for the inside. But then we're going to get a squat rack, dumbbells, barbell, and plates. Those will probably be the first 3 things we get. And then I've got this super sweet like cable multi-station that I'm looking at. That one's pretty expensive though, so that'll probably be a little bit later. And once we have our own gym, I mean, we could work at it 1 o'clock in the morning if we wanted to. So that's kind of what we're planning there. I'll definitely keep you updated as that develops. But yeah, moral of the story is, I have no idea what the moral of that story is. But it's gonna be good. I'm excited about it. Now I'm gonna go to bed because we're gonna wake up early and try the whole morning routine tomorrow. So we'll catch you tomorrow.